Hi everybody, I will show you how I did a quick bow on ADDI Express King Size 4016 roll. First I will cast on the machine, one in the front, one in the back for the first row, till I reach the yarn feeder. Not the yarn feeder, but the starting point right here. Open the yarn feeder, close it, and then I will crank for 15 rows. When I reach my 15 rows, I will cast off. To cast off, I have to crank my machine like this with no yarn in the yarn feeder to release the stitches from the machine. Then I will go with the wool needle, wrap stitch by stitch, and make sure you don't forget any, because if you lose one, you're gonna end up with a drop stitch. Drop stitch are easy to fix, but sometimes it's not fun when you crank a lot and you have a drop stitch in the middle of nowhere. So I grab all the stitches like this, and it's all released from the machine. There. Now it's time to close our tube. Starting by one side, we'll grab the stitches with the wool needle. I go around the circle so that way it will be easier to close. Like this, and it will stay like that. Do a knot in the back. Just like this. And pull the other side. Stretch it because you don't want it to be all jammed in one side. Pull on it like this. And the same thing, you go and grab all the stitches around it, and then you attach it with your tail of yarn. Like this. So now I take my two thumbs, put that inside of the circle, go around it like this, and attach those two together. Told you it was an easy one to make. This, and then you push, and you will do the same thing on the other side to end up with this. So you could keep it like this, or decide, like I did, to sew the 4 open space. To sew it, I will do the mattress stitch, but if you don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't do it. That's it. So I will go and grab 2 stitch on each side, like this. Pull a little bit, not too much. And it's very important to stay on the same column to prevent your work to be twisted. Like this. And then you will pull. So you will do the same thing on the 3 other open place. Just do a knot like this to secure it, picking it, and you will go and cut this yarn. But I should just go and continue to sew it. I don't know why I would cut the yarn, but it's okay. So if you decide to leave it open like this, it's fine. And if you decide to close it like I did, it's fine too. Anyways, it's the easy bow. It's the video for today. Hope you enjoy it. I will be prepare another video for next week. So don't worry, always a video a week. And sometime more when I have time, but usually it's one video a week. Like this. And then I will pull on it. Pull. No, I don't like it. I will start over. I will sew it again. So I hide this tail for now. And voila! You could leave it like this or sew it like I did on the picture. Voila! See you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao!